there's another crash. Alright guys, what's going on? We got a little ride going on today. We're gonna go check out some... Wait. Oh, that mullet is beautiful. Oh. I lost... yeah, we're at Zach's house unloading right now. He's apparently at school doing some book learning. I don't know. Me and Ron are gonna go tear up the trails. So we got his 125, got my 250. So we're gonna go get some good footage for you guys. Stay tuned.
Hey, you filthy degenerates! We're going right today! We got some new stuff we're gonna go check out, a few rock climbs and stuff. As you can see, we got a bunch of beautiful white snow here in the great state of northern Minnesota. Oh, missed my turn. We're supposed to turn right there. What an idiot! So we're gonna go exploring here. It's kind of neat. They got like a mountain bike track through the woods, and it pisses me off because look how fucking fun that looks to ride on. But no motorized vehicles there. And if you get caught on it, I'm not sure here, but I know the other bike trails a $700 fine if you get caught on it. Ask me how I know. My bike wasn't fast enough, and I couldn't get away. So, now I'm very leery about riding on the bike. I need to climb that. Squirrel! And there's nothing. Oh, there's a barbecue! We can put some shrimp on the bobby. Almost went down there, but I saved it. Look how cool it is down here. It almost makes up for how horseshit this place is to live. Oh. Now we got snow on the trail. Not ideal. Unless you got studded tires, you're not going anywhere on this stuff fast. I know firsthand. They put me into the Thule's last week. Well, took my first digger there. Lucky we're going slow. Alright, we found some neat obstacles to go over here. Nothing too fancy, but something fun for you guys to watch. You know, that was fun. We're making our way downtown. Walking fast, facing past my hold on. Now we're just looking for more trails to hit. I know of a few. I haven't been down here that much. I mostly played down here. But now that I have somebody else dumb enough to come ride with me, we can actually hit some of the stuff that I found that I want to hit, but I can't do it without cameras or people with me. don't have the balls to do it by myself, I guess I should say. Don't think there's anything down here to play on. Actually. See if we can find some cool climbs down here. Alright, we found some pretty intricate, cool hill climbs here. Oh. I was not anticipating that rock. Look where you're going, not where you want to go. Well, that was a fail. Man, I suck at this. Two nice little technical hill climbs here. Nothing too hard, but some fun stuff, that's for sure. It's all hard rock, so I don't want to fall, because that hurts my feel goods. I dabbed. Sorry to let you guys down. I got my pecker. Oh. Well. Not sure if he's sane or not. There's another crash. Well, time for some redemption, I think. More likely not, though, because I'm not good at riding. My bike does most of my work for me, so. Okay, I guess I got some skill. Not much. Pretty good for a waterhead, though, I'd say. And all this rock stuff is new to me. Like that. That one kicked my ass last time. But now I got it. And I made it my bitch. stuff is not fun to ride in. Well, it's fun to ride in, just not to fall in. As it turns out, rocks are very hard to land on. I wish there was a cleaner run-up for this one. This one is really fun. But the run-up to it sucks. So I should be riding with, I should have a shovel with. That'd be perfect. A shovel among other things that I need in my riding pack. And a saw to cut down trees. I already got a bunch of goodies in my backpack. Alright, we're done with that section. Now we're gonna go find some more stuff to have fun on. Ooh, spooky rocks. Not even sure if there's gonna be anything good to climb here, but okay, that's better. I'll take that. Well, I don't have enough balls to get up on that, so I'll do this rock climb. Stupid KTM. Oh, that's why there's an obstacle at the end. That's why I bailed. Yeah, that threw me off kilter.
You know, I think that's quarter.
Well, we're doing some more scouting. We're gonna see if we can find some more cool stuff to show you guys down here. It's pretty neat. Not really at all. Just a bunch of snow and hidden rocks and branches that whip your nipple. Terrible. Like, this place wouldn't be so bad if there wasn't so many damn rocks in it.
Somebody might be a little excited for winter time.